Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So I just wanted to focus here in this video on the smaller time frame. In the last video, we also talked about the larger time frame, bigger picture, yeah. And in this video here, we only want to take a look at the microstructure, just to take a look at any changes, talk about possible alternatives. For now, the idea is that a wave 2 bottomed here around the 20th of October. I'm not very, I'm not convinced by this microstructure here, but it is the best scenario I can offer. Oops, 1 second. Right now, I have to say with these microstructures, sometimes it just doesn't make so much sense to focus so much on the micro, but please understand this is one that's likely going to change. But so far, support has been holding. I mean, that's been important, or that's important to understand that the key support area, and that hasn't changed since the last update, it is still located between 62 cents and, well, 90 cents. So it's the 50% to the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So it's, yeah, and there is one in between, which is 73.5 cents, 38.2 retracement. There's some structural support around 77 cents. These are key support levels that you need to know about, because this wave 4 could literally start at any time. It looks to me, however, as if we are already in the, as if we are still in circle wave 3, as if we are getting one more upside extension here. And we have formed, and I will show that to you here, we have formed a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and this could be a wave 5. Why am I not very convinced about this structure? What is so ambiguous? What's ambiguous is the shallow wave 2, right? Which I originally saw as internal wave 4. I mean, it pushed higher, which was expected, but this would be too long for a wave 5. So, right? So, what I had originally was 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think we had a setup here, and then we said, okay, this is a wave 5, might get another extension, okay, but then it became too long. Again, another shallow pullback. So, best I can do here is to say there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we might get another high in wave 5. Targeting the area around $1.42. That's the next larger degree Fib level. But then there are smaller degree Fib levels above which are relevant. So we've got 149, 155, 166, 175, 185. And these are the micro levels to watch above. These are the next micro levels above. And if we talk about the microstructure, yeah, I mean, we should get there, right? These are the Fib levels based on, if I zoom in a little bit, on the 1-2 setup here, right? So we have again 1-2 setup with a very shallow wave 2. So again, I'm not really convinced. It could also be that the wave 1 sits here, but with that steep push to the upside, it rather looks a little bit as if the third wave is already unfolding. So we have to be a bit flexible here with regards to the micro, but since the last update, it's just pushed a little higher, I think. And the communication was that this yellow microstructure is valid and is sort of what I focus on, as long as we hold above the intraday low. And that's the yellow wave 2 there, and it's located at $1.05, yeah, a little higher than that, 1.055. Now, a break below it wouldn't be bearish, right? It would simply mean that the price probably needs a bit of a pullback before it continues higher. And that, let's say, small pullback could send us to test 89.9 cents, or even here the Tuesday, the 26th swing low. So it is a first, so breaking below that low will be a first indication that we've started circle wave 4, but there's going to be more to that, right? There will be many other questions to answer then, because it might be that just this wave 2 resets a bit. Overall, and I think that is very important to understand, that the focus remains on higher prices against 60 cents overall, or no, it's actually 62.5 cents, right? The lower boundary there of the key support area. And in the very short term, the 1.055 level. And I already mentioned to you what the next levels are above. If we zoom into the 30-minute chart, this is obviously a little bit pointless because 30-minute analysis doesn't really make much sense, but this looks like a tiny mini triangle, which could it break to the upside? Well, normally I don't trust triangles, but in the last few days or a couple of weeks, we've had many that successfully broke out into the, let's say, expected direction. And I mean, could this be another mini, wave 1 of wave 3 then? But I've run out of wave degrees, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And this could be internally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe, because it could like be an internal wave 4 triangle. I just want to share, look, this might break to the upside. Just pay attention to the triangle. Well, if not, then the red line is next support at 1.055. So there isn't much more to say at the moment about ADA. I think there is a good chance to go higher, but provided the $1.05 level is holding. Obviously below that level we have to recalibrate, but only on the 1 hour chart then. So yeah, that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you are interested in the memberships, you can follow the link in the description to our website and click on the membership section here. You can find a couple of videos that explain how the memberships work. And for example, as a gold member, you get access to Discord, you get access to our chat rooms, you get access to our weekly membership live stream. It happens every Sunday. You have a chance to put in requests in our poll system on Discord. You can use all the Tradingview live chart links that we provide in the membership. There are many more additional coins that are analyzed, more frequent updates, lots of things. So check it out. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.